Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on closing background running apps on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you click the home button to go home from an app, the app doesn't fully close, it stays partly active in the background. Tap on the 3 vertical lines button in the bottom left corner of the screen. This is the Recent Apps button. All of the apps you have used recently will appear here. You can swipe through your apps and flick an app up to close it. To close all of your recent apps, tap on Close All. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.